What is up, YouTube? Rock with his vlogs here, and today I'm in my room. And guess what I'm riding? A hoverboard. So right now I'm in my room watching some TMZ, but it's on a commercial break. But I don't really watch that show, so I don't even know why I'm talking about that. And I'm wearing the Syracuse hat that I found in my room I never really wore before. And it was a weird adjustment. And the reason I'm wearing a hat because my hair's all messed up. So, yeah, explains that. Justin Bieber. Alright guys, we're outside now. And my dog is in this pit. I don't even know what she's doing, see? Stella, what are you doing? Stella. Stella! Stella, what are you doing? Stella. I think she smells like a dead animal or something. What if it's a dead person? Stella, what the fettuccine Alfredo are you doing? Bunch of stuff. Stella. Stella Bella. I see a bunch of cement bricks. Now, Stella's chewing on something. Stella! Ah! Front flip, baby! Ah! And that's how you make a good plate of food on YouTube. Alright. So, got some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna see how they taste with mayonnaise. Not bad, you know? That has spot. So guys, check out my challenge channel called The Beastly Contender. I just uploaded a video of drinking lime juice, like drinking a glass of lime juice. And then go check out my gaming channel. It's called Crazy Gamer 18. I have some good videos on that. So, I hope you like this video. Going for 50 subscribers on all my channels, or mostly just 50 subscribers on like all my channels. And once I reach 50 subscribers on one of my channels, do a cool giveaway or something like that. And give me ideas for what should be in the giveaway. And yeah, hope you like this video. Leave a like and subscribe. And see all you guys in the next video. Peace.